It's a beautiful start, Dan.
Yes, sir, it is. Beautiful.
Y'all see Dan over there. It's my daddy used to say, don't worry about the mule, load the cart. So that's what he told me. So I said, all right,
loaded.
this is not a very efficient camping trip, but it is gonna be an enjoyable one.
That's right.
I guess it's maybe through there or
Yeah, we'll give it a shot. With it lower, I generally try to stay in the middle, but
well, sticks coming all up in the middle, so
yeah,
you think
well, I know it's right all over. But
I can't tell which way this. Well, I guess it's coming off of this street. It fell from the over there. Just enjoying a nice little paddle out here with Dan. It is a gorgeous looking day. So as you know, any time of day is this pretty, it calls for an off day. So this is a beautiful fall Friday. We are projected to have the first freeze of the season tonight. And in true fashion, that means I got to come out on the water and go camping. So we'll see how that works out for us, and hopefully everything goes smooth. We'll catch back up with you. It just been a little over a mile.
oh yeah, you talking about just the distance?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just checking that.
We gonna have to scurvy over this log. It's all the way. Well,
Ooh, I didn't see this one here.
I think it's a way
All
around.
right, you might be able to squeeze through. Maybe I can. Jeez. Did not see that. GoPro, start recording.
I tried to break it, but it was a lot sturdier than I had predicted.
Having work for it, John.
Yeah, we are. Dan's talking about having to work for is what we call the price of admission. You look at how beautiful this is, and a lot of times the river's not going to give it away for free. You got to work for it. Price of admission. I got you. Now this is fall on the river.
All on the river, man. It's absolutely
Oh yeah. It's a lot warmer than I thought it would be. This late. It's still really nice. So that is a very, very pleasant blessing. That was some serious trees, man. See what situation Dan got me out here in. Out of my nice warm home and got me out here in this cold water. You notice I was in front when we went through all the trees. We cut all spider webs and stuff out this way. Now he gonna get back in front and clear it out.
It's because I got hung up on the tree before that one.
Yeah, Yeah, I tell you. As you can see, it is quite a lot of river downage. The amount of trees was greatly underestimated by my river guide. I may have to ask for a refund. Well, the sun is not waiting on us, so let's get to it. Still got to make it to the campsite.
We're going through.
I mean, we gonna have to cut this out the way, cause ain't nobody getting past that one. And I don't. Can you reach it, or how wide can that cut through? You can get past that one, but I'm talking about this one here.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the real troublemaker. And it is stout. You need me to study your boat or anything?
Just trying to get it's hard to get a good angle on it, but.
For those of you who are wondering, this is Southern Paddler's whole workout. This is it. Paddling and sawing river fall.
That's right.
Yeah, camp. Time to get set up. It was a battle paddle, but we about to get to it. All right. Well, we have gotten camp set up. I got my Eno flying back there. You know, I don't do the expensive stuff. Dave back here with his floating cot. Dan over there all set up. He working on the flames. About to get it going.
Yep.
And we got a nice spot right here by the river. Water's way down, so we had to deal with a lot of mud, but we up far enough that we got us a good little leaf cover and grass actually, so not too bad.
Yeah, it may take a little while to get going, but I need that. It'll be good.
Yeah, it's gonna bag me up right there, man.
If it gets going, it will.
Mm-hmm.
Me and you both.
Got us a nice little fire going. And I tell you, I said this is a true battle paddle today. That's the only way you can describe it. Just 100% battle paddle, but we came on through it. Everybody got their nice little setup going here. That sound like somebody's dog.
I think it was.
Yeah,
I wasn't sure at first, but you're right.
Yeah, they knock. I thought I was thinking coyotes a second. Then I listened again. I said that's somebody's dog. We
Yeah, feel like an old hound dog.
this thing going bumping the night out here. We got
Well, there's no telling.
Yeah. So about to have us some dinner in a little bit, and mine taking a little while. I brought a meal today, so and that'll be about it. Check in later. Yeah, got me a chuck out here and some mashed potatoes, some vegetables. I'm living pretty good. Got to get to it. All right.
Holy crap. You know what time it is? What time does it feel like?
Man, if you hadn't said nothing, I wouldn't have known. But I just looked. Goodness gracious, yeah. That's
like
a
5:30. 5:30 exactly. Yeah, I'm thinking it's like 6:37. Good night, nurse. I'll tell you one thing though. I feel pretty good about myself because I bet half of the people I follow on Instagram have made some kind of disparaging remarks about the time change, so I'm not alone. Oh yeah.
Tell you what, man, I get that sweet and sour pork in my gut. I might just go to bed.
ain't no way I'm going this early. I ain't trying to wake up at 3 a.m. and be laying in the hammock. I'm gonna stay up probably as late as I can. We should have some current once we get past this 31 boat ramp.
Yeah, I hope so.
I know it's clear.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because I ran that in the Ginu not too long ago.
Yeah, it'll be a hell of a lot easier than what y'all did.
Well, in September. Yeah, it's definitely going to be easier than today. That was a mess. It is 6:30. We are up. They are up. I'm still in the hammock. Hey, apparently, they say I started snoring 2 seconds after I walked into my tarp, so I think I slept pretty good this evening. Oh, pretty up and got a fire going through there. You get up and get something to eat and get on the water. We got about just over 8 miles, just under 8 miles, around 8 miles to go to get to the truck. So it is somewhere near 34 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not too bad. You know, I say that before I get out of my sleeping bag, but it doesn't feel too bad now. By Alabama standards, it's pretty chilly. So, all right, let's get started. We are up this morning. Everybody managed to survive. So, that's always a plus.
Live to tell about it.
That's right. That's right. Everybody getting a little breakfast going. Southern Paddler got up and he was first to brave the cold to get the fire going, so we appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Because I know I wasn't moving. I think we had a pretty serious snoring competition going on. You know. But that's all right, because that was a good night's sleep. Good night's sleep. Eating on rain fly with my doors there. I also do under quilt. I think it's a 40 degree. Double nest Eno. I also do Climate V insulated sleeping pad. 20 degree Nemo long sleeping bag. That suits me better. And I do a sleeping bag liner. All that kept me incredibly toasty. So I consider that a very successful evening in the hammock. Very well rested. Now, water's boiling. We'll have a little breakfast skillet. Then after that, we're gonna get out here back on this creek.
Oh no. Let's go with this.
Got a juice?
Yep.
You want to use mine?
Yeah, if you don't mind, at least give me a boil going. Appreciate it. Yep.
Dang, you know, Dave's pretty much a charity case out here.
I'm kind of getting that
The reason I don't camp by myself.
Showed up with his stuff in a garbage bag, and you know, it's kind of been the theme since. That has been the theme since. I don't know about this.
Maybe there is a price for that entertainment.
Yeah.
You gotta give me some free shit and I'll do stupid stuff.
We out here back at it. Got 7.5 so miles to go, maybe 8. And we gonna do a little bit of deliberate paddling today to get there. Just think about that, Dan.
Yes, sir. We're ready.
All right. So let's get to it. It's supposed to be a cool one, but it don't feel like it. We didn't have some bad forecasts out here on Flint Creek, but I ain't gonna say nothing yet because now fall I know all this will let go and it'll start snowing. So we just never know. But it's feeling a lot warmer than they said it was going to. kind of just swirling on us.
Yeah, it is. I'm looking for a spot to take. I got to hit battery on the front end.
You know, rocks over there. Or?
The left side's got a more gentler slope.
Yeah, it's gonna be muddy though.
Yeah.
You're not creating enough for me to do it, but if you were, I would be. I was saying to see wonder if I can catch the draft back here. I can't exactly surf your wake back here. Yeah, I don't think we're aerodynamically set up for that to be a possibility. Uh-oh.
This morning, caught one. Right when I started, no good.
All right, so we made it back here at the truck, shuttled Dan back to his truck, and we got it done. I'm telling you, this was a battle on the water this whole trip.
Absolutely.
I mean, when I say we had to work for every mile, we had to work for every mile, but it was worth it.
Yes.
Quality camp, a great time by the campfire. Good conversation with good people, and really just enjoying the beauty of nature the whole time.
Excellent. Yeah.
Fall colors.
Oh, they were gorgeous.
Yeah.
Beautiful weekend. Yeah.
I mean, I think we catching the tail end of the peak right now, so that was all worth it. So
and even the cool weather, waking up 34 degrees was it made it feel like fall. It felt good. So.
Yeah. So nice. All right. Well, we enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Also, got to remember, check out Southern Paddler and Alabama Floats. He's still out on the water somewhere. We can't get him off of the water. That's him. So he's going to have a lot more fishing for y'all.
That's right.
But I appreciate it. We'll see y'all next time.